Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to redirect a domain to another domain in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this course, you will learn how to get started with your Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance for free. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones for free. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to redirect a domain to another domain in Namecheap. It all starts with going to CPanel. Once inside CPanel, scroll down to the domains section and click on redirects. Select your type of redirection, if it is permanent or temporary. I will choose permanent. Select your domain name you want to redirect and redirect it, for example, to google.com. From here you can redirect. You can only redirect with 3W. You can redirect with or without 3W, or do not redirect 3W. For the wildcard redirect, I will leave it unchecked and I will click on add. As you can see, redirect must begin with a protocol, for example, HTTP. I will copy it like that and paste it here. As you can see, my domain name started to redirecting to google.com. I will check it now. As you can see, my redirection is set successfully. That was all for this video. If you learned something out of it, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.